Hey, I'm thinking about upgrading my skill, but I'm confused on where to start and how to start because I'm not from a technical background, but I'm interested in it. So, can you guide me?
Okay, did you surf online for any websites or
I have. I did my part of research, and I found that data in, scientist is a booming role, and I have interest in it. But my main problem is that I do not belong to a technical background. So
then I think the best thing would be to talk to our expert here.
yeah,
He
and I was
will
thinking the
guide
same.
you really well
Yeah,
about it.
yeah.
Yeah.
Way to take course which will help me to upskill in right way. See, there are plenty of institutes, but if you really wanted to learn with a deeper knowledge, with more of practicals, then IPEX Solution is the best place in Bangalore. Okay. Uh, Next question is in Bangalore, many companies already offer course which is best, but for a fresher or non-technical background, where to learn? See, once again, the market what we have, like our latest technology courses or even the coding courses, if you are going to take it from the different places, like plenty of, as you said, like many institutes are there which will offer, but none of them will give you the attention, like which is very much required as a personalized training, where your capability or grasping power will be understood by the mentor or by the faculty member, and then they can guide you in a right direction. So this kind of unique nature of training is available in IPEX solution. So if you are a non-coder or even if you have different background, then it is the best place to choose IPEX solution. The trainer is also, whoever the trainers are there, they are very experienced and they are going to give you the personal attention, and it will be done based on the grasping power of the candidate. And whenever you're going to learn, this will be like a fun kind of learning. There is no forceful, mugging up by hearting or taking down a lot of theory and then only one day practicals. Here the approach is, as you start taking up the course and if you are coming for the classes, most of the details will be collected by the counselor, and then the information will be passed on to the faculty. The faculty will be knowing how to mold that candidate or make that less interest to more interest, and then it will be helpful for a candidate also to learn under a supervision where they are going to understand and clarify all the doubts on the spot itself. So I suggest like IPEX solution is the best for any person who is starting the journey. Yes. But how do they teach? I mean, what tools do they use? Here, there are multiple tools, technologies, as well as languages are available. Based on the requirement or based on the course selection, each of them will be taught, and it is going to be like first roadmap will be shown what all you are going to learn as per the syllabus which is designed based on what industry is required. It's not something like where colleges will provide something for the sake of marks. Here the approach will be like how you can start earning after getting this skill. So here too much of practical exposure will be there, and the techniques will be explained in detail. Anything related to the theory part will be covered by the explanation part. In case if further candidate needs to refer it back, material and online sources will be provided. And what about the fees? Fee structure is very flexible. Even if you have, like if you start comparing this institute or IPEX solutions with other, the fee is very low. Second thing is like EMI options are available. Third is like the candidate who are not able to pay, like very much having trouble. For them, relaxation will be provided, flexibility EMI option with a 0% interest rate we are having. So those kind of things will be suggested for the candidate. And what about the faculties and trainers? Can I get more information? How do they teach? No, those trainers who are teaching all these courses, either it is networking, DevOps, or it could be cloud computing, multi-cloud technology, or networking side, or even artificial intelligence or data science. All of them have an industry exposure, and they are having a total experience of 10 plus. And some of the faculties are there who are having an experience of 20 years as well. So this will be helpful for the candidate to learn from an experienced person rather than from a new person who have not much knowledge. So that knowledge will be shared, and whatever they have gone through all these years will be, provided to the candidate. It is almost like in 1 hour you can learn about 10 hours of content. This is how the trainers are.
Ma'am, the most important question: will we get the certificate?
Obviously, once it is done, the course is completed, and there will be some prerequisite. In between, you may have some surprise days, some quizzes, or maybe some mini project, or even capstone project. The file submissions has to be done, demonstration should be provided, and final one examination will be there, having maximum practical and little bit of theory. Once you clear, the certificate will be provided.
Yes.